What's up guys, welcome back to Smart Trader, and finally we have completed 2 years. It's been a great journey and we have around 69,000 members in our family now. We have 4.3 plus million views to this particular channel, and also we have 15 million plus minutes watched. An English channel getting so much of support, it's a great thing. So thank you so much for all your support. Thanks for being for 2 years with me in helping Smart Trader channel. It was a great journey. And yes, if you are expecting me to talk in this video, then you're wrong. I'm talking in all the videos, and today I'm not going to talk. Today you're going to see our subscribers talking, and they will tell you why they like Smart Trader. So without wasting time, let's see what they have for us, and I'm too excited to know.
Hi, I like Smart Trading channel because I'll just elaborate the word smart in smart trading. Super methods of doing right trading. I suggest all the beginners to watch smart trading videos for better trading understanding.
I am a big fan of you, sir. Actually, I get knowledge about the stock market from your videos. So, thank you very much and hope you good in the future also. Thank you, sir.
As the name suggests, Smart Trader. By following all your strategies and looking at your videos, have become a smart trader. And all the things what I have done from your videos, all trades are profitable. Thanks a lot.
I'm Dr. JP from Bangalore. I like Smart Trader for a very simple reason, is that he's the first person to tell me to work on this 0.3%. I used to be greedy, working for 2%, 3%, even 1% I could not succeed in making. But he's the first person to tell me to work on 0.3%, which is feasible, practical to make it for a day trader. Thank you, Smart Trader, and all the best to you. Bye.
Yeah, I am Dr. Vijay Kumar. I have been watching your video for the last 6 months. In your video, such a clarity of ideas and all the things which you are teaching to all of us is very, very good. And the thing is, I have started doing trading after watching your video only. So I like you very much. Last 1 month I have missing your video. Yeah, just I shocked what happened to you and like that. But suddenly, yeah, you came with a good idea of giving away. Yeah, that's very nice. Thanks a lot of teaching. Is not a simple thing and in a smart way. Very nice. Yeah, hats off you first of all for teaching all the positive thoughts in you. Thank you very much. Yeah, keep it up. Thank you.
Hi Smart Trader, I am following your channel from last 6 months, and what I like most is the technical knowledge you provide through your videos, and I saw same thing you are teaching through your live trades. That is just like practical after theory. Thank you.
Hi Smart Trader. Smart Trader channel is one of the best English trading channel in India. Thanks a lot for all the video knowledge sessions. Thank you.
I love Smart Trader because it gives confidence to me.
Hi, this is Dr. Ramesh from Karnataka. Smart Trader, I have a rap for you. Smart Trader, you are the best, you are cool, you are different from the rest. Their dance moves high, superb and cool. Their trading moves high, even beautiful. Smart Trader तूने कर दी आज complete 2 साल. तेरा channel है best, तेरा channel बेमिसाल. And we love Dice Ball.
Highlight of the Smart Trader channel is 0.3% strategy.
Hello Smart Trader, thank you so much. Because of you I have learned so many things about intraday strategy, how to pick a stack and psychology and so on. Thank you.
Smart Trader is the #1 English channel in YouTube that I like most.
Hello, I am Ranjit Singh from Raipur. I am a great fan of Smart Trader family. I would love to be a part of it.
We use so many indicators in intraday trading, like S for Super Trend. There is a one indicator on YouTube like S for Smart Trader. So if you hit the subscribe button, you will know how to achieve 0.3%. God bless you and thank you so much.
I like Smart Trader because he's the only person on YouTube who posts genuine contents, and he basically focuses mainly on teaching and not on attracting customers like other people does.
Smart Trader, we are a very nice platform for learning trading. Thank you. Hi guys, I really thank Dicepal for conducting this giveaway program. And I want to say one thing. We know that Sachin is god of cricket and Dicepal is god of trading, isn't it? So that's why we love Smart Trader very much. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Samir from Surat, Gujarat. Your videos are amazing, treat to watch, and a way to learn stock market. Thank you. Thank you for your videos.
Hi guys, Smart Trader has given me such a wonderful trading platform in my career. Thank you.
Smart Trader rocks. I love Smart Trader.
Smart Trader is a good for learning channel.
I love Smart Trader because Smart Trader's unique way of trading strategies and live trading videos. Finally, we can say that Smart Trader can make a smart gainer. Thank you, Dicepal sir.
Hi, I like Smart Trader very much because the content, the videos uploaded are very useful and very good videos are receiving. I am following regularly this channel. Thank you.
Smart Trader, your videos are really interactive. That's why I love to visit your channel and watch your videos. And I would be really glad to be part of your Telegram channel so that I can learn more things about trading.
The knowledge which I gained from share market is only because of you. Thanks a lot, bro. You are Smart Trader.
Subscribe to Smart Trader for your smart trading life.
My name is Baswaraj. Your technical analysis are so simple and easy to understand. I am a huge fan of yours. I regularly follow your YouTube channel. Thank you very much for making trading so simple and easy to understand. Thank you very much once again.
Hi, I'm Atish from Bangalore. I like the Smart Traders channel because of the knowledge videos shared by Dicepal bro. It's very useful for the beginners like me, and I'm proud to be a part of Smart Trader family. Thank you.
Hi bro, I like your trading videos because you have good technical knowledge in intraday and daring to trade in future.
Hi, I am Narendra from Odisha. I like Smart Trader because most of the videos are very useful for trading.
Birthday to mom, and Smart Trader videos are confidence boosters.
I like Smart Trader channel because of your strategies and your teaching are unique and awesome. Very good.
Hi Dashi bro. First thing is I like your trading talks and trading style while trading. Second thing is you're very down to earth because you make time to answer all the questions for the YouTubers questions. And happy birthday to your mom. Thank you.
Smart Trader is known for its precision.
Hi, it's me, Noble Das. Smart Trader is one of my favorite YouTube channel ever. It educates me how to trade smart. Keep going.
Hi Dial Pound. I really like your videos. I was always in negative. Now I'm in green because of your technical analysis. All the best.
Hi days bro, this is Sivakrishna. I'm your follower, subscriber, and Smart Trader is the greatest trading channel which I ever met in 2017, and it's a life changer for me. Thanks.
Smart Trader changes my way very smartly.
Hi Smart Trader, I am Ajay. I am in Bangalore. Recently I have started my trading journey. So ನನಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಏನು ಅಂತ. ಯಾರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋರು ಯಾರು ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನಾನು ಇಂದು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೇಡರ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಒಂದು ಬಿಗಿನರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಲಾಸ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಪಿನ್ ಟು ಪಿನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವನ್ ನಾನು ಒಂದು 2 days ಏನೋ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ 1,500 ಏನೋ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನನಗೂ. ಸೊ ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಓವರ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಲಿಂಕ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಹೇಳೋದೇನೆಂದರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಅಂತ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋಂಥ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೈಡಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಎವ್ರಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಸಾ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ನೀವು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು ಏನಂದರೆ play like a smart player. So low risk and obviously there will be a low income also. So the profit will be low. But when you are comparing to the year, that will be high. So that concept I like very much. And all the best for your future plans. And even I am also wishing to be an family of your smart trader. Thank you. Love you.
Your stock market is very good to analysis. Very good to analysis and intraday decisions. I like smart traders. Thank you.
Hi, this is Surendra. I like Smart Trader because I'm a new trader. I just learn a lot of tips from you. Thanks. Thank you.
Hi Daspal, this is Mujahid from Hyderabad. I like your videos because I lost so much in trading last 1 year. When I hear your videos, I get some knowledge how to trade, how to put indicators, and what is the best indicators for us, and what is the 0.3% is a very good and fantastic good thing. I get some profits on the 0.2%. Thank you so much for uploading the videos.
Really, I'm loving your channel because, as like you were saying, this is one of the family to learn each and everything about the trading and investing in stock markets. So I'm loving, and also one of thing I like in your channel is you are uploading regularly videos. So I'm liking. Thank you so much.
Hi, I like Smart Trader because he's very smart.
Hi, this is Ishwar. I'm watching this Smart Trader channel from since long time, and what I found in this channel, it's a very genuine information providing channel, as well as the whatever the information provided in this channel is very clear to understand when compared to other stock market related channels in the YouTube, as well as what I find in this channel, it's a very professionalism. Thank you.
Hi Paul, hi Smart Traders. I like small traders because I'm becoming smart by smart traders. Thank you.
Smart Trader is really smart. I wish him to reach 1 lakh fans club within short time.
Hey Mr. Dice Paul, you are really a very smart trader because most of your strategies are almost 80% successful, and I used to do paper trading first as you suggest, and then invest my hard earned money in market. Thank you so much for being with us. Thank you so much.
Hi all. Smart people think smarter with Smart Traders.
Hey Daz, I'm already a Telegram channel member but still wanted to be part of Smart Trader anniversary video. If today I'm no more a beginner in trading field, it's all because of Smart Trader. So keep supporting us and keep motivating traders like me. Thank you.
Hi friends, I'm new to trade market. After watching Smart Trader videos, I came to know how to trade, how to put stop loss. This channel is very useful for beginners. Thank you.
Hi, this is Sriram. I like Smart Trader just because they are precise and on to the point, not deviating from the real fact. Thank you.
You are awesome. Your every video giving me knowledge. I am learning from you and earning from you. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Hi Smart Trader. I like your channel for the tips and tricks that you give for intraday trading.
Hi, I like Smart Trader because I learned so many technicals and tricks from you. Thank you, sir.
Hi Smart Traders. I like Smart Trader channel because of teaching us on live market and making us learn on the live market, and thanks for giving tips and teaching good luck, and I hope that you will definitely become a #1 channel in English.
Hi, Smart Trader is a hope for beginners, and it is very transparent.
Hello Smart Trader team. Your YouTube channel is really good and it's very informative and it's very inspiring also. This is one of the reasons for me to enter into trading. Thanks for you.
Smart Trade is the best way to learn share market.
Hi Smart Trader, I like you so much because you are the only reason I have started trading. This is Karthik from Pondicherry. So thank you so much for your videos and genuine.
Hello Mr. Paul, I am Swaminathan from Puducherry. Your Smart Trader is very unique. My best wishes to you.
I like Smart Trader with great strategies.
Hi, Smart Trading Group, really helpful. You've been a friend. Happy anniversary again. Thank you.
Hello Diaspal, I am one of your YouTube subscribers. I used to watch your videos regularly and I have learned a lot from them. The one which I like about Smart Trader is your live trading videos. They are really good. You have posted your profits, loss and everything. And I am following your channel regularly. And I heard you saying that today is your mom's birthday. So convey my best wishes and a happy birthday to your mom. God bless you and your entire family. Bye.
Hello, I am Sachin Mursi from Belagavi. For me, Smart Trader is my trading strength.
For me, Smart Trader means a learning with the earning. Even I am in a village, I used to do farming and also I used to get some money through share market with the help of Smart Trader. Thank you, bro.
I'm Andy from Bangalore. I like Smart Trader because Diaspal is quick and he shows practical examples in English. Thank you.
It is a realistic service trading channel.
Smart Trader is topmost trading channel in YouTube.
Hi bro, this is Ravi from Hyderabad. Firstly, congratulations for your second anniversary of your channel. Actually, it's needs lots of coverage to live well-settled job, and you did it for us. Thank you a lot. I think it is great that you don't have compared with someone else because nobody does the job as good as do it for us. More videos will help you and support you always. My many wishes for your future success and many more happiness up there to your mom. Thank you.
I would like to thank Smart Trade because so many new techniques are being learned for intraday trading, and we also get to learn about different indicator and where to enter, where to exit and take profit and sustain my profit and increase accordingly. As well as I would like to thank you and your channel, as I find your English is best among all, as well as you are the best, I think so. Keep it up and please add me your Telegram channel so I can check and do some analytics in your calls. Means if suppose if call is given, so I can check where to enter, where to exit and learn something. Thank you.
Smart Trader makes you a smart trader. Thanks for sharing your experiences. Diaspal.
Hello Smart Trader, this is Rajesh. You are Wolf of the Dalal Street. Make me too. Thank you.
Through Smart Trader, I learned a lot of intraday tricks and tips. That's why I like Smart Trader very much.
Very good evening. My name is Vijay. I'm basically from Chennai. I like Smart Trader because the way the way they are projecting learnings and everything is completely different. That's the only reason I learned a lot of strategies and techniques through Smart Traders. And also the business, the way they are taking up, it's really awesome and wonderful, and I love to be the part of the channel, and it was awesome experience of it's awesome learning experience for me being with the Smart Trader. Thank you very much. Best of luck, bro. Have a wonderful day.
Continuous learning and confidence to trade is what I get by watching Smart Trader channel.
Hi, this is Alex. Smart Trader channel is doing great. Very useful for beginners. Thank you.
Smart Trader has the best innovative scalping technique in whole of YouTube.
Do you want to try stop loss challenge? Then subscribe Smart Trader.
Smart Trader, India's #1 genuine trader, and also he does the live trading which help for the new beginners.
Smart Trader, I like your channel very much because you are posting more live trading videos that helps me a lot in my trading.
Hi, I have learned many things from Smart Trader. I love being a part of this family.
My name is Ravikran and I am from Hyderabad. Initially when I started my trading, I used to make much losses. After watching the Smart Trader videos, I used to know how to overcome those losses and picking the right stock at the right moment. Thank you to Smart Traders for support.
Hi sir, my name is Pratap. I am from Andhra Pradesh, Kadapa. I am following your channel from 6 months onwards. I learn more trading techniques from your videos. Mainly I learn from your videos. 0.3 or 0.5% is the very successful target probability to get success in trading. I like this strategy. Thank you very much, sir.
Smart Trader is really very good channel for beginners. As a beginner, I have learned so many techniques from Smart Trader videos which were given by Dice Paul, and cheers for the success, bro.
You are the motivator for me to begin the trade, and the Smart Trader channel is awesome. Keep it up, keep learning, keep growing.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ಅಂತ. ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೇಡರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ, ಕಲಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವೇದಿಕೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Smart Trader gives me more confidence to do intraday trading. Happy 2nd anniversary to Smart Trader family. Thank you.
I admire Smart Trader because he helped me to believe in myself as a trader.
Hello, this is Pradeep here. I love Smart Trader family because it taught us how to make consistent 0.3% profit in share market.
Hi Smart Trader family. Smart Trader channel made me learn many things regarding trading, and I am very happy to have this opportunity to talk about Smart Trader family. Thank you, Dice Paul.
Hello Smart Trader. You are the first person for the beginners in the stock market to learn. I have learned entirely because of you. Thank you so much.
Hi sir, this is BNVS Bharat, and my friend gave me such a good feedback about Smart Trade YouTube channel, so I too would like to join your YouTube channel. So if you suggest me, I too would like to learn so many and lots of things about trading and marketing. So please add me into your group, sir.
Thanks Smart Trader because he is consistent.
I like Smart Trader very much because all my friends suggested it that Smart Trader is best and tried it. The tips are very useful for me, and I am very interested to join the Telegram group also.
I love the Smart Trader channel for the tips and tricks provided by them are very useful.
Hi Dice Paul, Smart Trader and Dice Paul team is very reliable, responsible, very accurate with mind-blowing excellent strategies. Dice Paul, you are very service oriented and very inspiring to many young traders and best mentors forever. Thank you so much for joining your Telegram group.
Hello Dice, I hope you are doing good, and please convey my wishes to your mother. And I was following your channel, Smart Trader channel, from last 1 year. I really like your videos, and I hope you are doing same thing in future also. Thank you.
Hey Smart Trader, keep up doing good work of educating people, especially beginners like us. Your channel is simply amazing.
There is no YouTube channel that I believed in, because the only channel I subscribed is Smart Trader. Because bro, you're doing unimaginable stuff, man. You're growing along with you. You're letting us grow. Unbelievable. Keep inspiring, dude.
Smart Trader is very good trading channel. Thank you.
I like this channel just because the way of your presentation, the method is just awesome. Keep it going.
Smart Trader is good YouTube channel.
Hi, I'm Sugnesh from Bangalore. Smart Trader is one of the best learning channel for trading in India, and I'm so glad to be part of it. Keep up the good work, guys. Bye.
Yes, smart traders, my following your strategies and looking at your videos and became a smart trader, and all things what I have done from your videos, all my profits, all my trades are in profitable.
Hi, I have been following your channel for so long. Videos are awesome, and as you have become a full-time YouTuber and trader, I am looking forward for the more videos. Thank you.
Simple and effective strategy. Hi all, Smart Trader channel is the one of the best YouTube channel for share trading. They are introducing lot of new techniques like new strategies for day trading, position trading and swing trading also. Every newcomers can follow that channel. That is the best channel I had ever watched.
Hi Diceball, I am Shandipal from UP. I became your fan after watching your trading journey video. It's really motivating me. I watch all your YouTube video, then I make strategy. Now I make profit, but my losses bigger than profit. So please add me in your Telegram channel. Give me a chance to learn with you.
0.3% saving technique is awesome by Smart Trader.
Hi Diaspora, this is Rishikesh from Pune. I've been watching your videos and following for 0.3%, and that is working for me. I'm getting nice results. Congratulations for your 2 years, and I wish you all the best for your upcoming. Please add me to your community. I would like to follow you and understand and learn more from you. Thank you.
I like Smart Traders because it has different types of playlists which I am able to access and understand.
Hello Diaspol, I'm your subscriber from the past 1 year, and I have learned a whole lot of new things from your side, and just want to say that keep bringing us the great content.
Hi Smart Trader and family, this is Yusuf Ali. I like Smart Trader because I like live trading videos. Thank you.
Hi Smart Traders, this is Dhanush. You are doing very good job. I love it. Smart Traders is
Smart Trader, smart way to earn in stock market.
This is Arsha, Mysuronu. I'd like to thank you because I learned the trading from the scratch by seeing your channel, and your videos are just amazing. Thank you once again, and happy Christmas to you and your family too. Thanks.
Hi Diaspora, this is Daya, working as an IT professional and living in Bangalore. I'm your YouTube subscriber from the last 1.5 years, and I'm a great fan of you. I used to follow all your YouTube videos regularly and without missing. So I like your way of trading analysis. I took your premium calls as well. Impressive accuracy. Now I want to join your Telegram channel for lifetime bonding with you to learn more and to improve my technical skills as well.
Smart Trader is really inspirational. It makes me into the stock market.
Smart Trader, the real guru of stock market. Enjoying trading.
0.3% is what I learned from Smart Trader, and it's working perfectly fine for me. Thank you, Smart Trader.
Hi guys, this is Amrut, and I like your videos, specifically that 945 strategy. I tried it and I got some result. I'm very hopeful that you will share your knowledge and allow me to be a part of your family, Smart Trader family. Thanks.
Smart Trader is not a gambler. Smart Trader has been my inspiration to start trading.
Smart Trader is very nice channel, is giving very good calls, in rare cases only hitting stop loss. It's very nice. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Malla. I like Smart Trader for the technique and their accuracy level. The videos of Paul is actually simple as well as more informative, and I recently came to know that he's going to step into options as well, so I'll be looking forward for more videos on options as well. And thanks for all your videos that you have uploaded so far. Thank you so much.
Hello Smart Trader, hope you are doing great. Okay, I would like to thank the entire Smart Trader family. A special thanks to Dias Paul, who is really good in trading. His videos on the YouTube, all the educational videos are really great. We wanted to we are waiting for the all new videos. He has really a good knowledge, and the channel which you are running on YouTube seems to be a genuine. The whole live videos which are uploaded are really good. Those videos are giving us so much knowledge, and I would like to give a big thumbs up to the entire trader family, and we want to join this Diaspol, the entire Smart Trader family, and we wish all the best and big thumbs up. Thank you.
3 words to describe Smart Trader: extraordinary, fantastic, mind-blowing. Thank you for educating us. Keep doing good work. Happy trading.
Hey guys, I'm happy to say that I'm a Smart Trader family member. After subscribe to Smart Trader group, I have started earning money in the market. Thank you very much.
Smart Trader channel, all your videos a masterpiece, a great guide for the beginners in the stock market. Thank you. Continue your genius work.
Hi, this is Padma Kumar. I am learning various strategies and tricks for stock market via Smart Tracker. It is good job by Smart Tracker team, and I advise you to put more videos regarding stock market. Thanks for providing and enriching with your knowledge by making some smart videos.
Trader is a very good channel for the beginners who wants to learn share market.
Smart trading is super and unique. I love it.
Trader is very good platform to learn share market for beginners. It's very helpful for everyone. So I also watch every beginners videos. Please you also watch. It's very helpful to.
The reason why I like Smart Trader because it's quite open and honest, and guys, this is all because of you that I have learned, and would like to wish you, your mom, a very happy birthday in advance. Thank you so much. Take care.
Well, that was a big number of feedbacks which you guys have given. Thank you so much for your support and all the love you guys are giving to me and my channel. Keep supporting like this. The more good comments and the more good feedbacks you give, that boosts me to do more and more for you guys. So in the upcoming next year, our target is to hit 1 lakh subscribers to do education in a creative way. Let's try to do something new. Let's try out something new. There's no wrong in creating or trying to do something new. Let it be successful or not successful, but let's try to always come up with new things. Let's try to do a lot of creative things in learning. Let's do all the plus and minuses, and let's see how we can take this channel into next level so that this channel can be unique and also help a lot of people who's entering into the market. So we are actually well known in India because we are best for the beginners. So thank you so much for that title. So whoever is passing out from college or whoever is stepping into trading, this is a channel which is helping them a lot. So thank you so much for that title. Let's also look into how to go forward from there. So keep supporting. I love you guys so much. Keep supporting like this. I'm very much happy with whatever has happened till now. Let's hope for best, and let's rock YouTube. Thank you so much.